I'm Drippy, and today I'm going on an amazing journey. I'm joining my friends and floating high above the earth. This is called evaporation. Up here, we form a cloud. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets like me. We travel across the sky, bringing water to many places. Isn't this fun? As we get cooler, we stick together. This is called condensation.
We can't stay in the cloud forever. It's raining. This is called precipitation.
We flow back to rivers and lakes. This part is called runoff. Some of us go underground to help plants grow. This is called infiltration. And now, my journey starts all over again. The water cycle never stops.